Hey friends, how are you? I hope this finds you well. It's been a while. Last week I couldn't do any videos. If you can still hear it, I've been struggling with allergies and had a little bit of a cold, but I'm doing better this week, and so I'm excited to share with you. I've got bead hauls and I've got my Jesse James beads, so I'm going to be working on a couple videos here, but yeah, so I'm excited to share everything I have with you. So hope this finds you well, and let's go down to the table. Hey friends, so for our first haul video, we are going to do Joann's that I had done a couple weeks ago and just haven't shown you everything I've gotten. So this particular company is stopping some of their production. So at Joann's, they had a whole bunch. So I bought a whole bunch. And I've already given some to my friend Trish over at Pink Poodle's Jewelry Studio. And I got some for myself too. So as you can see, lots and lots of love and goodies there from this company. So thank you. Crystals are beautiful. So we got that, and I love these slider clasps. So these are great for bracelets and stuff. So I got a whole, as you can see, I raided the clearance section here. So I got a whole bunch of those from clearance. So super excited to see what kinds of bracelets I will make with those. So this is all from Joann's. They also have these really fun John bead mixes. So this is raspberry macaron. Look at how pretty all that. This is check bead crystals. So look how pretty all of that is. And then they had another one in clearance, pineapple upside down cake. So pretty, so pretty. So excited to use those. My son picked these lovely charms out for me. So some fun little charms here. I found this really cool clasp from Blue Moon. And let's see, I got these really fun bead mix. All clearance. They have some great clearance stuff. I don't know if they still do, but you can go check out your Joann's. So that's my first Joann's bead haul.